let's start with, what is Lipstock?
Lipstock it represents a stock of lip makeup products because the brand is solely focused around the lip makeup category. My goal is to create something that is holistic, as lip products are something that tend to be ingested into the body, so I wanted to create something that was natural and just focus on the lip makeup category.
Okay. Can you talk a little louder?
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe I should close the... Because the audio this isn't like the best audio on this camera, you know? Like it's a...
I'm so self-conscious all the time.
I didn't even hear you.
What?
I didn't do anything.
What?
I didn't do anything.
What did you say, Edwin?
She needs to talk louder so I can hear her.
Can you hear?
Okay, I'll talk
You'll
louder.
be my indicator. You'll go like this. No, that might be too loud, but... Yeah.
Well, that was a warm-up.
Yeah, that's a good warm-up.
Okay.
Okay.
So it's
Don't be nervous.
from the top?
You can edit it, Photoshop it, you know, all that stuff.
Okay.
Alright, so do you want to look through the questions and kind of think of what you're going to say?
I can look at from here. No?
Do you want to be able to look at the question again?
It shows? Or do you want to ask me?
Yeah, I'm going to ask you the question, but I was just thinking, do you want to go through it? Or do you just want to answer? Do you want
I
to
just want to
answer?
answer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hold on, I need to start another
Spontaneous.
take.